Hi, my name is Neve. Yes, remember the little Katy Perry. I'll be singing Tiffany Evans. I'll be there. My name is Neve Evans, so I like this song not only because Tiffany Evans' last name is Evans, but this song goes out to all my little brother Marcus, my little sister Unique, and my big brothers Asani and Wee. Here we go. If you could just let the beat drop, you might hear a little bit of instrumental, something like that. See you sleeping on the ground. See you sleeping with no sound. When your stomach starts to wet, I'll be there. See you peeking every night. Mama's beating, so know why. When your tears begin to shed, I'll be there. In those times when you're all alone, just to find your way, the world's alone. Well, go ahead, don't be. Well, I'll be there for the rock when it's raining eyes. I'll be there when the night falls and shines. I'll be there when you need me. My, I'll be there. No more smiles, goodbye letters on the ground when no one will spend their ears. I'll be there for your back. There's no escape. I'll be there. Oh, I'll be there through the water with the frightening eyes. I'll be there when the night wasn't dry. I'll be there when you need me. Always. Whenever you're faced with what you think you follow me, and I'll be beside you until the end. Sometimes promise I won't let you fall when you reach out and I'll be there. Whoa, I'll be there through the waters and rain. I'll be there through the wide bars and troubles rise. I'll be there when you need me. Always, my friend. I'll be there through the bars, rain and rain. Oh, when the night was and troubles rise. I'll be there when you need me. Now I always, my friend. Thank you. for watching, and I hope you like it. And again, this is just a shout out to my brother Marcus and my sister Unique and my other two brothers, Asani and Renee.